An avionics manager.
Reliability manager.
Fleet materials specialist.
Deputy line maintenance manager.
A short-term fleet planner.
The line maintenance planning manager.
Engineering purchasing manager.
Deputy power plant manager.
EG materials supervisor.
Deputy purchasing manager.
And I am the head of maintenance planning.
Tech services structures manager here in the engineering building.
We both came in off the tools from, well, I was in a couple of different industries as well, but I think if you come in, you're exposed to huge amounts when you come in through the tech services side and the engineering in the office.
I obviously started in 2019 straight out of college as a graduate, and I actually didn't do aviation in college. I did design and manufacture and engineering. So I think in engineering in general, there's opportunities for everyone.
Being here in Ryanair right now, knowing how fast they rectify the defects, how they handle the AOGs it's truly impressive.
I have direct access and meet quite regularly the engineering team in Seal Beach in California, whom we deal with on a day-to-day basis. We send queries to them. They allow us to be part of the decision-making process. We prioritize the jobs, and it's access that very, very few airlines have within that system. So it's very good from Ryanair's point of view, and exposure for me to learn how those systems work as well, and my team, the team who come along with me also.
If you're looking for a challenge, I think it's definitely the place to come, and if you want to learn, it's the best place to learn.
I think you have to appreciate the size of the organisation, and you'll probably gain more knowledge in your first year here than in probably 3 or 4 years in a smaller organisation that's not quite as fast paced. So if you want to learn and grow quickly here, they give you the opportunity just by the sheer volume of and the size of the fleets, and that's the biggest thing. Is just be ready to soak in that information and try and gain as much information as you can.
I suppose I like the fact that it's like one big family in terms of, we have disagreements and arguments, but at the end of the day, we're all working under the one goal and one purpose, which is obviously safe and serviceable aircraft.
Everyone's very friendly. There's good kind of average working age about the place.
And it's also a very international environment. So I think that's also very beneficial.
So the thing I love about Ryanair is the progression opportunities and the growth.
I like the fact that your work is rewarding in the sense, if everyone does a good job, you're keeping passengers flying on time and everyone gets their holidays.
For staff travel though, I use it quite regularly going to the football. I think it's a great feature to have.
There's so many places you can go with Ryanair, with the network being so big.
Last year I did 83 flights with the staff travel, so...
A bit of advice would be just to think big, so coming from when I started and we had small double digits numbers of aircraft up to now we're approaching 600 aircraft. The challenge is to think big. How can we, move away from a small airline mentality like 50 aircraft up to big numbers like 600, 800. The sky's the limit.